Hey guys, so how's it going? So I had a request to test out the speakers on a 10.5 inch iPad Pro versus a 9.7 inch iPad Pro. I have a copyright free song pulled up here, so I'm going to have to give it a shot. So let's see how it sounds, and I think I have the microphone in the most advantageous position. We will see how this works, and I have not done this yet, so I do not know the results, so we are going to find out together. I wish I didn't have to use this song, but oh well, damn you copyright laws. I'm going to start it off at about 3/4 of volume for each iPad and then work my way up to 100% and go back and forth for a little bit, so hopefully we can get a good idea of how this sounds. And I have the 10.5 inch on the left and the 9.7 inch on the right. But enough talking, let's get this going. All right, so there you have it. I don't know if that would help any of you guys because it is kind of hard to tell the sound quality over YouTube when using a USB microphone as a recorder. To me, I didn't really notice a whole lot of difference, and maybe it's just my imagination, but I thought the 10.5 inch sounded just a little bit better. Not sure if this video is really going to help anybody, but if it does, that's awesome, and I'm glad I could help out. And if you watched this and it helped you out at all, I'm really glad it did, and I appreciate your view. Thanks.